to my YouTube channel. We're playing the Gobble Games. Some of you guys does not play these games, but I'll play right now. Yeah, I remember this game before. Alright, we say, I played this games before. Oh, well, it says double up, line up, and win. Okay. This is a Gobble Game. On the screen, if you are pause the video. And also, there's another side. Where is it? Ah, here. It's another side. You can pause it too. Then, you can do it again. And also, let's open this bad thing up. Where's the opposite side? Ah, this one. Okay, let's open this thing up. Woo, yeah. Looks cool inside. Where's the opening? Ah, there it is. This? Wait, that's crap. I forgot. So, every single time, every video, I go, whoopsie doopsie. Oh, look at this. What is this? What is this? Ooh. The stickers. You see them. They're the same face, but some are different. Here is the monster, big monster, fatty cutie. It's where are these little cutie cuties. And then here are the little sweetie hungry monsters. Obviously, so yeah, God is going to do it later. We finish showing up everything. Okay, this is the piece we're going to use for these stickers inside over here. I'm going to be for the faces of the little monsters. Absolutely, the little monsters is like this. Because yep, because there is a different colors too. You see like the collection. Welcome to the door. So yeah, we got a little finger can fit in here. And then this is with one version. You can see here. If you want to see the rest, and then you can pause the video. Okay, that's enough of pausing. So we have some like these, from over here. So yeah, this is what we're using a drum. So you have to take them all out. Otherwise, there are different places, the different versions. They're still going to use this. Also, we'll be here right now. So yeah, so then you can just going to do this. Just slide this like on the box. So you know you already see them. So yeah, box over here. And then we're going to show it for you at the end. Yeah. So I'm just going to learn the box over here. So yep. I just know how to play this with the two. I played this game before, but I did not play this game before. What? How this person just made it into, wait. No, I know. Just do the tic-tac-toe. So, use the tic-tac-toe on the brain. Tic-tac-toe. Same as the picture, but it's not really this. Yeah. So, yeah. So, yep. Let's take out everyone over here. So, we got it ready. And that's why it's going to be so cute. So, we're going to take us later, guys. So, where you want to put the stickers? Then also, there's the giant version. You can hit that. Yeah, we got to see them about. We got the gluten or like so yeah, we got some of these hollow. You can see inside it's hollow. So yeah, we're going to play this game. We have played this game before, but not one. So there are three like this and there are three like this. Yeah, well it's actually here. So yeah, I'm going to show you. So yeah, the reds. Well, here are they're on the side. And then the blue one. I need to get out. Yeah. It's the blue team. I'm going to play someone. Oh yeah. And here is the other blue. Here. Like this. Yeah. You pause the video. Keep it okay. And here's the ready. Ready. Radis. think it's good. You like them? Review my sticker collection. Hello guys, this is stickers.
My
So,
sticker.
so be careful for them because yeah, they're gonna be. You. We're going to put this on the big red one. He's happy. Okay, gonna do him right, but I'm just going front. Oh, going to copy on the picture. You can already know because, bruh, did this changes get smaller? Okay, I'm going to put. Nah, I will do boy. Okay, about this. But yeah, this one is like, ha ha ha, I am so chin. Okay, just don't care what's watching. So I'm just gonna do this. At the end, I'm going to show them all the faces. Okay, if you're really facing, guys, then you're going to be hey, I'm gonna fly in that. This is the happy poopy tupu. Yeah, it's going with another one. The finger, this one, who eat you? I need to get this thing. Oh, you, that's a close one. This thing. So yeah, I just need to place it on here, guys. Yeah, we need to do properly. So why are these things going to my eyes? These things I want to eat my eyes. No. Yeah, bowling for them before them. Because, it's a good one to take them out. Bruh, this guy is ruined. See? It will be her beautiful forever. It's going to be a dead person. The face will be going to fall off. Everyone, watch him. His face will not fall off. See? The ghost. Yeah. So, this. Everyone, be careful with the sticks. The stickers. They'll just ruin the entire line.
I don't like
Not there. You. You can't swear. Again, baby. Baby, you're. Woo! Wow, face is weird. Careful, guys. My face is ruined. Out here. Because I can't tell you what. Hello, my lots of falling things. And then just falling things again. Yeah, falling things and then I'm fighting. This hard. Pin. Channel ko. Ito. So, dito yung sa akin side. Kay Amer side. Ito side ni Amer. So, yung kasama yung instructions dito. Dito mo, alam mo. Yes. Akin yung, bato-bato-pick tayo. Bato-pick. Nako, sabi yun, ako yung blue. No, I'm the blue. Kaya, ako yung red. Uy, palitan lang tayo. No, palit na lang tayo. See, come here. I'm playing. Okay, when you go to earlier, you can see the video. We can start this video. See how it's actually going. So, it's a different. So, I'm in the middle. Can I get more? But I will.
Talo ka na.
Ay! I'm here.
Nga, panalo na si Paiden.
Gets ko na.
Kuberan mo kung malapit na siya makain.
Court! Okay, you first. Ako na yun nga. So I'm going to choose my biggest. No! 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 So continuous. Good days. Wala na. Oh, wait. Time pa ikaw. No, wala pa. Ano? Wala talo. Wala nanalo. Wala talo, wala nanalo. Again! Wait! Ito na the instruction. We have to see the instruction first so that we can know. So, ito check. See the instruction first, guys.
Pas, bibi.
One of the player has 9 pieces. Amir, we have to read it. Wait, on top each other. We're going in or row. Then you go row. So we get piece. Do or knees on top of the smaller piece. Wait a second.